Welcome to the 8th week of the Project Management course. This video will cover the assignments for this week. First, we have the Course Participation Scheduling Projects Case Study Assignment. After reading Chapter 8, you will respond to the questions pertaining to the below case study by clicking the Course Participation Scheduling Project Case Study link. Now, I know a few students have had issues with accessing the link, and that was because they did not actually purchase the required materials for the course, which was either your Cengage Unlimited or the MindTap Access card. So keep in mind, you're responsible for obtaining those required materials for the class. Next, we have the individual assignment, project research. And sometimes when I post project research for either the individual assignment or the group assignment, some students would say, well, what should I be doing? Well, continually researching your project. Figure out if there's any additional tasks you should be adding to your project, resources, so on and so forth. That's what you should be using this time for. And of course, there's no submission required for this week for the individual assignment. Next, we have the group assignment work breakdown structure. This is just like you did on your own for your individual assignment last week. Now you're going to be doing it within the group project. So same parameters. Everything stays consistent. It's just within your group project. So whatever your chosen project for your group, you do the work breakdown structure for that project. Keep in mind, as always, if a team member does not participate within the submission, make sure you indicate which team members did or did not. And that's how I'll be divvying up the credit based on that information. Next, we have the Microsoft Project Exercise. This will be an individual assignment this time. So you'll be focused on your individual project and you'll be updating your Microsoft Project file. Okay. First of all, you want to review section 811 within the ebook. And then you're absolutely going to want to review the few tutorial videos that I posted here. And then from there, you're going to be updating your schedule during step 3. You're going to be using the first day of the 10th week of the semester as your project start date. Okay, so if you already had a date, you're going to have to change your date to the first day of the 10th week of this semester. You're going to have to configure the working days to be Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. You're going to have to configure the last full week of this semester as a non-working days. The reason why I put that there is I was like, well, in theory, if you're working on a project during this time frame, the last week of semester, you would be too busy to actually complete any work, being that you would be focused on final exams. Then we would have, since you blocked off those days, now you include the last 5 Saturdays of the semester as working days to make up those days that you missed. And then last, for scheduling, you want to configure the timescale to display 3 tiers: months, weeks, and days. Now, if you watch the tutorial videos, you're not going to have any problems with this. Okay. Next, for step 4, you're going to update the following items in your individual project file. You're going to update the task dependencies. You're going to assign duration estimates. So that means when I open up your file, I'm not going to see any question marks, like a day question mark, within the duration column. And also, you're going to identify the critical path. Then again, if you watch the tutorial videos that I have posted, you shouldn't have any issues with this. And then, of course, at the end, you upload your assignment to the Microsoft Project Exercise link above. And the last assignment for this week will be the Chapter 8 Scheduling Project Quiz. As always, please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great week.